Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power and clearing the work area so nothing shorts. Once unplugged, remove external drives and controllers, then take out the 6 Torx T8 screws and release the plastic clips. Lift the top case carefully. Make sure to ground yourself and use an ESD strap so static won't ruin the board. From here, you'll expose the metal shield, remove remaining screws on the shield, and set fasteners by step so reassembly stays orderly. This gets you to the motherboard access point for the HDMI assembly. You now disconnect ribbon cables and label every plug so reconnecting is foolproof. Once labeled, remove the screws holding the power and Wi-Fi boards, then lift the motherboard off its standoffs. Work slowly to avoid bending. To replace the HDMI port, either remove the small HDMI daughter board or prepare to desolder the port directly. Use a hot air station set to appropriate temperature, flux, and steady airflow. Make sure solder joints are melted evenly. Then lift the old port cleanly to place the replacement HDMI port into position and tack solder the main alignment pins first so the port sits square. Once seated, reflow the remaining pads with flux to ensure solid joints. Clean flux residue afterwards. Reinstall the motherboard and shields in the reverse order, reconnect every ribbon and screw, then close the case. Plug in and power on. If you don't get video, make sure the cable is seated. Try another HDMI cable or TV. And if needed, reflow questionable joints or inspect pads for lifted traces.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.